Sissy, bring him over here.
No, he's in where I think they live. I'll take him there.
Okay, well, I was recording a video of him.
So you can record me also.
I can record you also?
Whoa. He's not scaring me. He just jumps out of my hand. Let's see. How did you get out? Oh, it's a cut.
Maybe he doesn't live there. Maybe that's not his home. Maybe that's someone else's home and he's scared.
That's his home.
Yeah.
I can help him get out if he needs out.
No, just let them do their thing.
You keep watching that one and I'll keep watching this one. Oh, you have a leaf in your eye.
Sissy Doolittle.
I can't let him go, Mom.
If he lives around here, so he doesn't go very far. He'll be back tomorrow. Look, this little fella's like out. He's like...
Maybe that... Oh! There! I didn't know.
Look, there's the other one. He's leaving right now.
He hopped in my hand. Must live somewhere around here.
Look, there's the other one.
Must live. Where did these kind of things live?
Just out here in the grass.
I found him another one.
Right in a nice cozy mud hole.
I tried that too because it was like so big. It was like so big. So that you have like and he can get out whenever he wants because his jumps are so high. See here. He's not scared of me. He just jumps.
I think he wants out.
No, he'll come to me if he wants out. Watch. If I just sit here.
He say, Mama, let me out.
No, he'll come to me if he wants out. I'm gonna go get his other friend. It might be because I... It's on my head. They're both in there. They must have lived under here because they're actually loving it. This one might be able to climb out. I think it's trying to climb out. Can I get in here with them?
Sure. I think they're worried. I think they just want to get out.
Sure. I think this one wants out. Do you want out? Yeah, he definitely wants out. So long. No, I can got him.
I can got him.
See?
All right, now